Welcome back to Anantapur, day 2 of this final round of the IDFC First Bank Duleep Trophy for the season 24-25. India A take on India C. It's a beautiful ground here in Anantapur, ground A. India A put it to bat to 224 for 7 at the end of the day's play, and mainly because of just the one man. Avesh Khan kept him company towards the end. There was 44 from Mulani, but the standout batsman was Shashwat Rawat. Brilliant 100, and he played some glorious shots all round.
दूसरे दिन का खेल, लेकिन फील्ड एक बार फिर खुली हुई उसी अंदाज से। पुलकित नारक।
Well, Avesh Khan with one man in the deep. That's deep mid wicket, but he's gone straight. Avesh Khan wants to make full use of the 3 overs.
कहते हैं ना, in is out of the park, लगभग उसी अंदाज से। अंदरूनी किनारा, luck favors the brave.
Knocked him over. That's a superb delivery, straight in.
Pitched up. परेशानी वो है एंड क्योंकि वहीं पे पॉपिंग क्रीज पे खेलते हैं, तो इसके चलते उनको थोड़ा जो गुड लेंथ है वो थोड़ा ऊपर। शाश्वत रावत के द्वारा 124 रन की पारी।
Nicely played away off his legs. First boundary for Prasidh Krishna. That's hit away through the leg side. Another boundary for Avesh Khan. Played away fine, and that'll run away to the boundary as well. Smashed away through the offside. This is good batting from Prasidh Krishna.
भारी किनारा, रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर।
Another boundary for Prasidh Krishna. You got it right, Chetan. Off air, you told me there'll be a lot more runs scored. That's a good hit, straight down the ground. That's it. That's exactly what Ishan Kishan was trying to tell Vaishak. Vaishak cleans up Prasidh Krishna, his 4th victim.
It's the turn of Gaurav Yadav to be reprimanded by the lower order batters.
क्योंकि जो बात कर रहे हैं और करारा पहाड़ फिर एक छक्के से और अपना अर्धशतक पूरा किया, और बिल्कुल कहते हैं अभिनंदन करते हुए।
Bang! You get the fielder a lot straighter, I will go a lot wider. Avesh Khan, the smile, the appreciation, the applause, it's all good because Avesh Khan has got his half century. Possibly another wicket. He's taken the review correction.
TV umpire to director, we have a players review for LBW. Original decision is out. Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. Back to Weber on field. Your on screen signal out, please.
कमाल की पारी अवेश खान के द्वारा, और इसके साथ इंडिया ए की पारी 297 पर सिमटती हुई।
Prasidh Krishna had a good outing in the last match for India A. First ball. On the money.
जबरदस्त शॉट, यही खासियत है ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ की। सो
Aston in the gap. Good bowling by Prasidh Krishna. Innovation. Oh, nicely played. Gets into a good position, hasn't timed it well enough. Straight away. Gets the wicket. It's the corridor of uncertainty. And Rituraj Gaikwad was poking at that. And he's bowled in. with the very first delivery. 2 and 2, he'll be on a hat trick. Oh, Akib, man with the golden arm.
रुकेगी, मुश्किल है. तीसरी सफलता, और ये और भी बड़ी है आवेश खान के लिए, क्योंकि चलता क्या है ईशान किशन को.
Edged and taken. That's wicket number 4. And he's got all the big wickets. And that's lunch on day 2. 41 for 4. India C reeling.
लंच का स्वाद अलग मिलेगा इंडिया ए को. 7 विकेटें गिरी हैं इस सेशन के अंदर, और 3 तो आकिब खान के नाम पे ही लगी हुई हैं. 1 आवेश को मिली. जोर जोर से बजा रहे हैं सब तालियां, क्योंकि इसी तरीके का प्रदर्शन रहा है.
And this clash is panned out in this manner. India A 297. They had to fight hard for those runs. Good partnerships coming in the second half of the innings. 41 for 4 India C. They trailed by 256. We go in for the lunch break and we'll be back in a few minutes time.
2 slips in the gully to begin with. Avish Khan, the bowler, and my colleague in the box is Chetan Sharma.
इस लाइन पर गेंदबाजी नहीं, इस लाइन पर गेंदबाजी करोगे तो नतीजा ये होगा. और 4 रन आते हुए इंद्रजीत के लिए. ये शॉट है, टांगों के ऊपर कलाइयों का बेहतरीन इस्तेमाल. 4 रन मिलेंगे यहां पर पोरल को. एक बार फिर नया खराब लाइन. रन आएंगे यहां पर और बहुत मुश्किल होगा फील्डर के लिए. आउटफील्ड बहुत ही तेज और 4 रन मिलते हुए.
Nicely clipped away. Sheer timing and placement. Brilliantly played. There'd been a lot of things playing on his mind.
रन आएंगे यहां पर. प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा ने कोशिश पूरी की.
नाइसली प्लेड. निश्चित रूप से बल्ले के बीचों बीच और अच्छे 4
Edged and between the fielders.
एक 4 रन.
The boundary to start off Tanush Kotian's spell.
कुछ चांस होगा. ये बेहतर. रन जरूर आए लेकिन अच्छी गेंदबाजी. बाबा इंद्रजीत ने इसको बिल्कुल सीधे बल्ले से खेल दिया. अगर यहां पर आप गेंदबाजी करेंगे तो रन्स तो आएंगे.
Quality cricketer will definitely have a lot of words for Abhishek Porel, his statemate. He gets to a half century.
Well played, young man.
और एक बार फिर अच्छी गति से खेलते हुए. और ये क्रैम्प.
Shouldn't be too much of a problem. 4 wickets falling very quickly, which meant Baba Indrajit had to come to the crease very quickly.
लेकिन इस समय स्ट्रगल करते हुए बाबा इंद्रजीत.
His hamstring being injured. Oh, this is not a very good sight.
ये अच्छे विजुअल्स नहीं हैं, खासकर इंडिया सी के लिए बाबा इंद्रजीत की.
That's bowled him, I think. Yep, that's bowled him, kept low. Beg your pardon, Manav Sutar. It's the man dismissed. It's time for tea on day 2. Well, 25 overs, just the 1 wicket, 97 runs. So it goes to the batting side this particular session.
This is the match summary. 297 for India A in the first innings. A good 100 from Shashwat Rawat and a half century for Avesh Khan. Contributions coming in from Mulani and Prasidh. The bowlers realized the importance of runs, and in reply India A 138 for 5, trailing by 159. Najum. It happened at a time when the partnership was beginning to assert itself on the India A side. He plays this shot really well and finds the gap.
ओ हवा में बॉल जिसकी हम चर्चा कर रहे थे। और मयंक अग्रवाल ने कोई गलती नहीं की, छठे विकेट का पतन। और इसी के साथ साफ क्लीन बोल्ड हो गए कंबोज। आठवें विकेट का पतन। ये बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी, अच्छा पैडल स्वीप, कोई खराब नहीं, लेकिन टॉस अप, अच्छा टॉस अप और 4 रन।
ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर से बात कर रहे थे, इस बार वाशक ने ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर से स्वीप कर दिया।
जबरदस्त शॉट, बैकफुट पे कोई मौका नहीं, 4 रन। और यही हो सकता है, और अच्छा शॉट। और नाइसली प्लेड, ब्यूटीफुली प्लेड।
And now the chance goes down. There were 2 slips and a gully.
हर बॉल ने कोई नया करिश्मा किया है। 64 के बाद 216 पर 7, और इसी के साथ दिन का खेल खत्म। एक अच्छी साझेदारी पनपती हुई 49 रनों की साझेदारी।
Towards the end of the day's play, would have had a 3 written there in the third session of the day's play in the wickets column instead of 2. 10 wickets the entire day. Started with India A getting dismissed.